Today is World Menstrual Hygiene Day. It's an opportunity to raise awareness and highlight the importance of good menstrual hygiene. Poor menstrual hygiene caused by a lack of education, stigma, limited access to period products and toilets can negatively impact on the educational opportunities, health and overall social status of women and girls around the world. As a result of this, millions of women and girls are kept from reaching their full potential.
We know in Ireland that period poverty is a growing issue. The Plan International Ireland survey found that almost 50% of girls aged between 12 and 19 found it difficult to pay for period products, and almost 2/3 of girls surveyed have missed school as a direct result of their periods. This needs to change, and Fianna Fáil is bringing forward measures that will seek to end period poverty in Ireland.
We have brought forward legislation that will introduce a scheme to provide free period products for women, girls and trans people in Ireland. When enacted, the Free Provision of Period Products Bill 2021 will see the distribution of free period products in all schools, colleges, universities and other public buildings, as well as through groups who support particularly vulnerable people. Nobody should go without period products. Nobody should face the stigma, shame and inability to access education and sport. It's time to end period poverty.